To make an internal transfer with BMO Bank, also known as the Bank of Montreal, follow these simple steps. First, you need to log in to your BMO online banking account, either through the website or the mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Transfers section, which is usually found under the Accounts or Transactions tab. Next, select the account you want to transfer money from, and then choose the account you want to transfer money to. Make sure both accounts are registered under your name and are eligible for internal transfers. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and add a description or memo if needed. Review the transfer details carefully to ensure everything is correct. If you are transferring money to a joint account holder, make sure you have the necessary permissions. Confirm the transfer, and you will receive a confirmation message or email once the transaction is complete. Internal transfers with BMO Bank are usually instant, but it is always a good idea to check your account balances to confirm. It is also important to note that internal transfers are free of charge, and there are no transfer limits within your own accounts. However, if you are transferring money to a different account type, such as a credit card or line of credit, there may be fees or interest charges applied. To avoid any issues or delays, make sure your accounts are up to date and you have sufficient funds in the source account. You can also set up automatic transfers to make recurring payments or savings easier to manage. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily make internal transfers with BMO Bank and manage your finances efficiently. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact BMO customer support for assistance.